Hi, my name is Fermin and welcome to the video presentation of Michael Loser and his views about the law of attraction, presented to you by AttractingAbundanceHQ.com. Michael Loser and his views about the law of attraction. Are you confused about the law of attraction and attracting abundance information out there? Creating abundance has become a hot matter of debate lately, particularly since the launch of The Secret. Let me discuss the teachings of Michael Loser in this presentation, written by Roshan B. Lesson number 1. Your life right now tells the tale of what you are attracting. This might seem obvious once you hear it, but you have to really stop to think about what this means. To put it bluntly, in one way or another, you are attracted what's in your life right now. This is potentially disturbing or empowering depending on how you look at it. It's potentially disturbing because it means that you're responsible for all the bad things that are in your life right now. However, if you look deeper, it also means that you have the power to change any aspect of your life you choose to. Now, I realize this idea might be difficult to swallow. Why would anyone want to attract bad things in their life, right? Well, most of the time it's simply subconscious. This is backed up by the myriad of data proving the link between the body and the mind. Illnesses, often fatal ones, have been linked to trauma residing in the subconscious mind and have been miraculously cured once that trauma has been taken care of. For further reading about the matter, check out The Field by Lane McTaggart. Lesson number 2. Your words create. The words you use affect the way you feel. What you feel is what you get. This is the basic premise of the law of attraction. If you feel great about a particular subject, you get great things in that area of your life or vice versa. So by altering the words that you use, the way you talk about a certain aspect of your life, you can improve the way you feel about it and thus improve your external circumstances. Another key aspect worth to mention is that the way you talk to yourself. If you talk to yourself the way that makes you feel good, you begin to feel good more of the time and you attract more goodness in your life. Again, that's just a simple extension of the law of attraction. Lesson number 3. Use small successes to increase your belief in the law of attraction and manifest greater goals. One of the things that Michael Loser have always talked about is regarding the successes you have about the law of attraction. Actually, writing it down in your handwriting has this amazing effect of cementing it in reality. Recording the success or the small successes creates a positive spiral in terms of the law of attraction to create a dream of life. You see, when we first hear about the law of attraction stuff, we might be skeptical or we might choose not to believe it. Either way, in order to really believe at a depth level, you need to have positive experiences. Acknowledging our successes, no matter how small, increases the belief and allows you to attract even greater things. Resources. My website at http://attractingabundancehq.com. Watch the step-by-step blueprint for attracting anything you want to your life at http://video-reveals-step-by-step-by-step-step-anything-you-want. How to manifest absolutely anything in serious results in 2 days flat without silly flops to mind power skills or years of practice. Guaranteed. At http://manifestitalltoday.com/manifestanything. Effortless abundance blueprint to synergy of internal peace and external success at http://effortlessabundancesite.com.